let's get into the rest of my packages that I got. It's been like a week. Hold on. Y'all, it's been like a week and most of my packages arrived, except for one. Taking forever to get here, but anyway. Let's just get back into the packages, because like I really want to show them to you. Like, you gotta see them. Hold on. Let's get to it. We got wigs and shit in here, because you know I stay with the wigs, the glam, honey. Okay, I think we already did the big box, so we're gonna see what else came in the small box. I got these two packages. They arrived late, but like we're gonna see what's in these two. Y'all remember the hip pads and stuff. What we got in here? Oh yes. Oh yes, that's what I want. That's what I want. This is what I want. Alright. First we're gonna see what's in this small package. I'm gonna open this right up. Oh, what's this? I don't remember buying this. You see it? You see it? This is the red cake that I actually bought, and they sent me a black one too for some reason. Oh, but this is what I actually bought. Oh, I love this. This is so cute. Y'all seen me wear the black one already. Oh, but I love this. Yes. Now I have two, and I'm not gonna give the other one back. Period. We're scammers. We are scammers. And then you do a little bow at the side. Yes. All right. Come on. I know how to tie. I know how to tie. I know how to make a knot. Please, 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 please. Don't make me look stupid out here. Okay. This is how you do it. This is how you do it. Come on. Let's go. Damn it. All right. See, isn't that cute with the little bow on the side? Yes. I think I'm gonna like this. Oh, I think I'm gonna like this. Y'all can't really see it. Hold on. Move all this mat so you can see it. You can see it. You can see it. You can see it, bitch. You can see it. You can see it. You can see it. You like it? It doesn't go with my outfit at all, but like, I like it though. I love it. And it fucking like flows behind me too. It is a lot. The quality is not what it looks like online. But hey, I can make this work. Oh, it does have layers to it though. Yeah, that's nice. And I feel like y'all are just mad because you don't have it like me. You just don't. You just don't. Anyway, let's open the next package because let's see what we got here. Let's see. I don't remember getting this one either. Let's see what we got here. Oh, this is like Christmas for me. Wrapped in paper. Oh, what is this? I forgot, y'all. I got a corset. Oh, and it has two pieces? Okay, here's the first part of the corset. It's got laces and stuff. I think I'm holding it upside down. This is how it's supposed to go. Yeah, it's supposed to go like this. And here's the back. Oh, you can. I love this. Oh, and it came with a leather skirt. Ooh, let me put this on. Hold on. Let me put this on. Hold on. Hold on. When you put on the skirt, does the zipper go in the front or the back? Because I've never learned that. Oh Lord. Oh God. So, is it giving or not with the shorts on, not with this outfit, but we'll try harder later. But I kind of like it a little bit. Like, I kind of like it. I kind of like it. Let's see what else we got. Well, let's try the corset on with the skirt because they came together. So let's try that. Gosh. Oh gosh. What's going on with the zipper? The zipper already broke. Like, damn. The zipper is weird on it, but whatever. And it has holsters for like for my tatangas to go in. Yes, Lord. Oh, does the zipper go in the front? I think the zipper goes in the front. And the laces go in the back. I believe that's how it's supposed to be. Oh, it's a nice and tight as a corset should be. Let me zip this up. Yes, 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 yes. Oh gosh. Come on. Alright. I don't know if I'm wearing it backwards or not. But I do like I look girl. This shit got me together, honey. Look, look. Look at the bod. Look at the lacing. Not my shirt ruining the outfit. Hold on. Oh, it gives. It gives. Yo, the dollar, it was worth its money. And it covers the tits too, bitch. The dollar, it was worth its money. Let me give y'all a microwave. All right, microwave in 3, 2, 1. Y'all like it, bitch? Y'all mad at me because I look good in black. You're just mad. You're just so fucking mad, bitch. Okay. All right. Ah, bitch, you really thought I was gonna fall, bitch. Uh-huh. I never let them know your next move, honey. But this looks so good on me. Ooh, when I put my pads on, I'm gonna look so great. Let me look in the mirror. Let me look in the mirror. Oh, I love it. I just love this so much. All right, so I think I know the perfect outfit to go with this. Ooh, I'm gonna wait for my DoorDash to get here, and then we're gonna give y'all a full glam concert, all that. So just give me a few minutes and I'll be right back. Whatever the hell. I don't know what I was about to do. Y'all, the food is here. Y'all know what that means? We gotta have a fucking dance party. So let me get glammed and I'll be right back. Alright, y'all. I guess I decided to put together a little look, you know. Let me come closer. I got the the corset, the skirt that you just saw. I've had these heels for a very long time. They're boots, they're thigh highs. Um, I got this lace shirt that you saw me unbox in an earlier video. And this good wig, like I don't usually like to put on my good wigs for y'all when I'm just messing around, but I'll give it to y'all one time. I'll give you a little show. You know, just this one time I'll put on a good wig for you, okay? And yeah, like I feel like my drag persona is just like my drag persona is like a leather emo girl. Like because tonight will be the night that I will fall for you. Something like that. That's me. That's me. I'm emo. Hey emo girl. Hey emo girl. Anyway, Let's put on some music, see what we can do here. See what we can do, honey. Shake some ass. Let's shake some ass. Where's my girl? Where's my shit? Hang on. Hang on. Anyways, let's put on some music. Like, let's dance the night away here. Come on, and let the music play, honey.
Yeah, I've been waiting for an hour. Coyote ugly on the TV, extra loud. You said you'd come out, but I can't wait for it to see you sexy now. And you're walking, talking, you'll get open. I know you've been wanting to come over more often. Give it to me. Give it to me. Give it to me.
I'm tired, y'all. Hang on. Never done a full. I've never done a full song
Give it to me.
Last song, sorry.
Give it to me.
That wasn't pretty.
Microsoft Azure helps you handle workload spikes without sacrificing performance. Scale your
Okay. So, yeah. I hate looking like that when I squat down. So yeah, I wanted to just give y'all a little number real quick. And I think that's gonna be all for today. So bye. Tune in next time, all right? Body snatch.